Hello, Dr. Massett here, and I've got a new gadget for you. They're weighing scales. Actually, they're not just weighing scales, because that'd be boring. This is an intelligent electronic weighing system called the body scale. It's got Bluetooth, and it weighs 15 different biometric data. Your weight, body mass index, body fat percentage, visceral fat, body water percentage, muscle mass, bone mass, skeletal muscle percentage, protein percentage, BMR, and metabolic age. Because I don't know how I've lived this long without knowing what my protein percentage is. So let's open the box and see what's in it. Okay, opens from the side. Took me a while to discover that. And inside we have, first of all, what looks like instructions. There are instructions here, handy. And we have the scales themselves, nicely packed. Now let's remove them. Okay, so take these off. It says Vibus on there, I've got no idea what that means, probably the make. And we also have a tape measure here, which I suggest or think it's probably to measure vital bits on your body, which you then link up with this. So I'll take it out of the bag so I can get a better look. And it actually looks quite nice. It's very slim. So what I'm going to do next is find out how this little sucker works. So basically, it's all set up now. I've put 2 AAA batteries in it, and to make it work, you quite simply stand on it, like that. And it comes alive and gives you a reading. Now once you've got the reading, it will sync with the app on your phone. So what I'll do is I'll open the app and show you what it looks like. So now you've seen how basically this machine syncs with the app and gives you overall top level parameters of your biometrics. Now another cool feature is that you can click on each of those measures and get more detailed information and explanations as to what they mean. So what I'll do is I'll open the app and I'll show you how I can expand on all the biometric data. So there you have it. It's a pretty nifty gadget actually. I'm quite impressed. It syncs very seamlessly with the app, gives you quite a lot of data just from your weight. The instructions are pretty good, all functioned well. And I'm not sure what the tape measure's for. I think that's just an added bonus so that you can measure things like your waist and your biceps and stuff to see if you are actually losing or gaining weight. So that's just a little added extra. But all in all, I think it's a pretty good product.